Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to interplant greens and butternut squash for garden space savings. So here's a clip from the show. So what I want to do is plant this as a hill. So I'm going to turn this whole thing upside down. They do not like to have their roots disturbed. So we will not bust this up. We will not do anything to this root ball. And we're just going to turn that back over, and we're just going to drop it in the hole. In the bottom of the hole I have some compost and some of our organic fertilizer. And these are going to go in here. Now my job is to keep the shungaiku trimmed away from the edge of the squash plant so the squash gets a little room. But the squash is not going to be growing much for the next couple weeks. It's just going to be sitting there building roots. And then all of a sudden the tops will start growing. And then at that point we'll take the shungaiku out, and this will be a butternut squash bed. So it's just a great way to transition from your cold weather plants to your warm weather plants. Get your cold weather plants going, make enough room for your warm weather plants, and then you can have double cropping for a little while in here. So it's going to work good. Now, one of my jobs is going to be to watch the weather like a hawk, because the cool weather plants, they can take a frost, but these warm weather plants will not take a frost at all. And so I will need to watch the weather and put the cover on if I need to. I have the heavy covers that can go on these beds. So we got our easy trellis up so that I know that I can support the covers and protect the plants. All right. Now these will need to be watered. We want to get the air pockets, the air bubbles away from the roots. Oh, there it is. So we want to soak this in real good. Every time you transplant, you want to soak them in real good. That gets them off to a good start. And like I say, the key piece here is not to let them frost. I know we have a couple cool nights coming up, but I can protect them with the covers, I think. So I think we'll be okay. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 9. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.